is Syke with Seraphim Airsoft. I want to thank you for checking out our channel. If you'd like to follow us on Twitter, you can find us at Seraphim Airsoft. And right now, if you follow us, we'll follow you right back. If you want to check out our Facebook, you can check out us at Seraphim Airsoft. Give us a like. And we'd also like you to hit that subscribe button. You can click that link right there in the bottom. Click that and that'll take you to subscribing to our channel, which is completely free for you. And it helps us support the great sport of Airsoft. Come back to our channel all the time. We're uploading fresh content all the time of unboxings, gun reviews, and awesome Airsoft action. Have a great one, guys, and keep on Airsoft.